Naisip mo ba yung naisip ko? Uy! Oh, say hi first, say hi. Hi! So, ngayong araw, nandun si mami niya. Hawak-hawak si Lucas. Ngayon, merong bagong laruan si Kisha. Wala pang bubbles to. Pero sobrang daming bala niya, no? Lahat yan gumagawa ng bubbles. Now, Kisha, you're gonna fire mommy. Say okay?
Okay.
Okay! Oh, Kisha, eto na yung bala ng isa nating napakalaking baril. Actually, Kisha, look at your gun. It's bigger than your face. Look, oh. It's bigger than your body. Oh my goodness. Oh. Where are you going? Okay. Come on. Oh. Okay, Kisha, come here. Kisha, look. Ooh. Parang kinakabahan na si Kisha. Sobrang dami. Kisha, what's that?
Bubble.
Bubbles. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Say opo.
Opo.
Okay. Ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo lahat kung gano'n nakabilis sa kalokohan ko sila, Kisha. Now, Kisha, you're gonna hold this gun. And you're gonna fire. Bang, mami, okay? Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Go, mami. Go, mami.
Hi, Lucas. Wow, Bubble!
Chuk.
Lucas, Bubbles!
Oh no, not daddy, mommy only, mommy only. Go, fire, mommy, fire, mommy, go, bang, mommy.
Come on.
Nag-enjoy pa yung mommy. Come here, Kisha, come here. Okay, Kisha, you did a good job. Okay, say good job. Okay, kiss daddy. Good round 2. 1, 2, 3, go. Ang dami. Bang, mami, go. Bang, mami. Go. Siya pa yung nandidila. Yan. Ano, nandidila ako pa. Kisha, look at this. This is hot dog. Can you say hot dog? Okay, you're gonna pack mommy with this hot dog, okay? Say okay.
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Go, mommy.
Yes, wow.
One more. Oh no! I think you want the ball. Mami, huwag mo ginagulat si Kisha. Ikaw naman.
Sorry.
Labi, alam mo bang ikaw ang gusto naming inisin? Siya yung iniinis mo. Ikaw naman. Si Mami.
Mami.
Bad. Si Mami. Kisha, go.
Saan pa kami ng kaso?
Kisha, go. Go. Loko ka. Loko ka eh. Kami. Kisha ba't Ninong? Say, Ninong? Potso. Potso. Ninong Potso.
Paglaki mo,
O ano, gagawin mo paglaki niya?
kukutungan ko si Lucas.
Ano? Kukutungan daw si Lucas.
Hindi ka makakutungan si Lucas.
Bad! Bad, no? True, Ninong. Bad, Ninong. Bad, Ninong.
Pero mo, pinapatulog ko ng init pa ng ulo.
Lucas, lagi na lang mainit ulo mo. Paglaki mo, tayo naman manginis kay mami, ha? Kisha, kami. Kisha, can you bite mommy? Bite mommy? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Bite mommy! Bite!
Daddy!
Good job!
Bad.
Hindi, iniinis ka lang yan, sutil yan eh, oh. Bite mommy, go! Bite! Boogs! Good job! Good job! Oh! Oh no! Oh, Mommy! Mommy, no! No! No, Mommy, I'm sorry! Hindi na po! Say, Mommy? Sorry! I will never do it again! I promise!